hope you're having a great day. My name is Mackenzie, and today I'm going to be showing you around this new arrival. It's a 69 Mach 1 factory R-Code. So Ram Air 428 with a 4-speed and a 9-inch out back. This car has been tastefully resto modded. You see the big fat tire out back. Wait till I show you underneath the hood and the inside. It is trick. Come on and take a deeper dive with me. I'll be the tour guide. Kicking things off at the front end. Paint is super deep on this car. This royal maroon has a nice metallic flake. The blackout hood treatment looks phenomenal. I don't see any stone chips on the front end of this car, which is nice. We got nice chrome. We got a big Cobra snake right in the grill. I dig that. Little upgrade over the Pony. This is your factory blackout hood treatment with the R-Code shaker hood. Let's take a look up underneath. Oh yeah. Man, I have a feeling when they're looking at this engine and looking at these cars, somebody said, it'll fit. And they got it in there. Still has the smog equipment. How about that? California car originally. Didn't come to Michigan until the prior owner got it. He's been loving on this car a good handful of years. See, this one has the Super Cobra Jet oil cooler, which is a super high dollar part. I was tempted to yank it off here, but I think it's doing this car some good. Nice aluminum radiator, factory AC compressor on here. Looks like it's got a new belt on there. Plug wires are new. A whole bunch of this is actually new. This motor was yanked, resealed, put back in here. It's got a clean bill of health, and it's very, very clean. Power disc brake car. From the factory, this only would have had the front disc. This actually has disc on all 4 corners, and downstairs it has the factory power steering. Upgraded to the MSD ignition. Aside from that, she's very well stocked. I'll show you this closing up. Seals up good and smooth. Got a shaker hood, front chin splitter, and a set of Mag 500 wheels. This car's got it going on. Riding on Super Cobra radial GT tires. Rolling down the side of this car. See, the gaps are nice and consistent from top to bottom. This paint is like candy everywhere you look. Good door gap. This is an original bodied California car, which is you really don't find all too often. And the piece de resistance, them big old fat meats. That's a 10 wide Mag 500 with a nice thick and chunky radial tire on it. Let's take a look here. This is a 295/50 R15. Fella knows what's up. Looks really sweet from out back. And those nice mags are actually strapped onto an aftermarket Currie 9-inch axle. So she's all about the business. Got the Cobra Jet gas cap on it. It's got the nice deck lid spoiler. Show you inside the trunk. Very stock and simple. This is a fold down seat car. We do have the courtesy lamp, which was a neat little option. Very few of these actually got it. Trunk gutter looks beautiful. Exactly what you'd hope to see on a original sheet metal car. The louvers set it off too. This thing is really tough looking. Look how deep these dishes are. This thing's badass. Gaps down the passenger side, just as good as the driver. Everything fits up very well. We've got really no major blemishes to tell you about. This thing's just slick. Paint looks wet. I can't wait to hear it run. First, let's check out the inside. All right, doors open up like $1,000,000. Door edges are crispy clean. We got the door tag present from Ford. We've got original tire pressure sticker here. Looks like it's got new latches in it. Door cards are in great shape. I noticed we've got some upgrades from Alpine. We got the upgraded door speaker with tweeters. It's actually pretty tastefully done. Sometimes I think it goes too far. I don't mind it in this car at all. Remote mirror working as it should. All the rubber looks to be new. The sill plates look new. And we've got some pretty trick adjustable high back buckets. These resemble the stocks. It's the right materials, has the right inserts, even has the Cobra wrapped around a little letter R. Very fitting, as this is an R-Code. Rim blow wood grain wheel, also fitted with the Cobra in the center. We have gauges by Dakota Digital. Those things are just badass. They work great, they're accurate, and they're not gonna skimp out on you. Moving over one, we've got our factory AC vents in here. Below that, we've got a retro sound Bluetooth stereo, AC controls down here, and a couple auxiliary gauges for oil pressure and water temp. You got 2 ways to meter that in case you ever needed. Down below, heated seats. Yes, sir. You didn't think you needed it? It's got them. Power windows. I'm gonna have to keep my pinky out the rest of the video. Let's check out the back. We got mats back here for everybody. Man, the detail in this thing. We got the Cobra badges set in the Deluxe seat belts. Rear inner cards look good. Rear sail panels are super tight. Interior lights working as they should. Got a good view of the louvers. Headliner good and tight. Visors, rearview mirror, everything's looking good. And we even have the original shoulder belts present. Don't mind if I do, man. Got a little Bluetooth in her. This Tremec gearbox is the bomb diggity. Feels great, clutch is nice and sturdy. And I don't think there's many miles on this trans. The synchros just pull it into the next gear for you nice and smoothly. Tight through the turns. And then four-wheel power just brakes. Hardly any pressure on the pedal, and she's slowing right down. This thing's got some good power, man. Gauges all working as they should. Says we're doing about 50 right now as we roll into one of our signature turns here. You know we got the grip with all that rubber. And now we're cruising around in fifth gear doing 60 at like, what's that, 1800 RPMs. Love that. Back up and cruising. I appreciate you taking a look and coming along with us today. If you want to know anything more about this car, drop us a line at 248-714-2110. Also, if you're new around here, you should know we put a link down in the description of every video to view the full listing on the website. So you click on that, it'll take you over to our website. It's LaFontaineClassicCars.com. You can view pictures all the way around this car, pictures up underneath it, a close-up of that Marti report, close-ups of the paperwork. I got a stack of paper like this thing on here. I think there was a receipt from 2025 for $18,000. It's received a lot of love. She's badass. I've run out of words. We'll see you guys next time. Like the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. Peace.